Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can add a thumbnail to a Roblox game. First up, log in your Roblox account as you can see on your screen, and then click on the Create tab right there at the top. Then it will take us to Creator Hub, and from here you just have to click on the Creation section right here at the left side. And then right from here, you just have to find your game, click on it. And then here in this page, you just have to find places here. So click on it and then select the game. Now on the left side, you will find the thumbnail section. So click on it. And then just have to select image as your media type. And then just have to click on upload image to upload your thumbnail image for your game. So for example, this one here. So as you can see, this thumbnail will be moderated. Are you sure you want to submit this thumbnail? So click on submit button. So there you have it. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.